Yeah, I mean, just like she smeared it all over her face, she made sure she got it in my mouth.
Cup it up and pour the soda from it. Pour yourself a soda.
It's red.
It is red.
Smell it. My mommy made it.
Oh, thanks, Mom.
No. I'll have my own food.
You filming? Good.
Well, my mommy
So you
makes
got
a
that.
cupcake for everyone.
Is that good, buddy?
I
There you go. Get another handful.
Hey, monster.
Oh, he poked himself in the eye.
That'll be alright.
Be careful, Matt. Don't get too close. Oh, he's trying to get off his hand. Come here. Come here. There you go.
I have the same one like Ari.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, my hands are clean. Let's get more.
He's asking if you want some. Get some to Aunt Natalie.
By the way, she eats through her nose.
Oh, he just grabbed the whole handful.
That was delicious. Yeah. Yeah.
I have a cupcake.
You can zoom in and out while it's filming.
Your voice fancy. We bought it.
Yeah. So once you start filming, that's it.
That looks delicious.
Is that good, man?
I'm glad you're not staying here tonight.
I'm
just glad I don't have to change his diaper.
Hey, can I have a bite? No.
No. Oh, there he goes. There he goes.
No.
That was funny.
Give some to Casey.